Harley has been my dream bike ever since. So, first time ko na magkaka-Harley. So, every time I see it on the road, I would always want to have one. So ngayon, it's a dream come true.
And I'm not doing it afraid. Oh, 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 let me show you how I do it. All day, all night, I do it big, living the life. Let's go, let's fly. I do it big, living the life. Big, big life. Living that big, big life. Living that big, big life. Living that big, big.
Hello everybody, good afternoon. My name is Luigi Lardizabal from Harley-Davidson of Manila here at EDSA. Once again, we're very excited to launch another new model from the longest saga of our Sportster family, the all-new Nightster 975. We're very excited to share this particular new model dahil naiiba siya doon sa mga ibang model na na-launch natin.
Understand, 'cause you don't even know. Get out your seat, come on and dance. Let me show you how I do it. All day.
And one of the key features that we're very proud and excited to share is the engine of this model. This is a liquid-cooled 975 all-new Revolution Max engine. It's packed with a lot of safety, performance, and comfort features, some of which we will share with you, and hopefully you get to experience as well. Ang isa sa mga excited kami is that this has 3 ride modes. You've got your road mode, you've got your safe rain mode, and you've got your sport mode para dun sa mga medyo may experience and a little bit going for speed. You've got your comfort and safety features also because it comes with ABS, traction control, and yung drag slip control system, all for the benefit and safety of our riders.
Beginner-friendly siya. I think it would fit my lifestyle as well. Malambot yung kanyang mga leather, so okay naman.
Comfort-wise, you've got twice the travel of your rear and front suspension. You can adjust your rear suspension. And there's a unique feature wherein yung tangke po natin ay nasa baba.
Big life. Big, big life. Living that big, big life.
We gladly invite you to come and visit us, either here at EDSA Greenhills or at the Fort BGC, and come see our latest instrument of expression, the all-new 2022 Nightster 975. Thank you.
Big, big life.